Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's Coach Lynn. How are you today? I'm so excited to spend just a few minutes with you. My husband and I, we're still on vacation in a wonderful, wonderful island here, Saint Martin. And so it is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's inspiring. I love the sound of the waves, and I'm so excited to really be able to bring this setting and this background to you. But I want to just jump in really quickly here and give you some great news, okay? So we know that we are at the end of the year, but if you know anything about me, I'm always encouraging you to get started on your goals. So a lot of times people like to wait until January 1st to really decide what they're going to do, how they're going to do it, and when they want to get started. So I want to let you in on a little inside secret here. So the beauty of making goals and the beauty of really deciding to get started and move forward is that you just decide and you just move forward. So there's three things that I want you to think about. First of all, I want you to think of what you're entering into in more of a lifestyle decision, not something that's temporary, not something that is a crash diet. No. You are creating a lifestyle. The second thing is that I want you to think positive. Think positive. What we think is what we are. So if you consider yourself to be a success, then you are, because everything inside of you will line up just the same. The third thing is that I want you to have hope. When you give up hope, you give up everything. So remember to stay hopeful, and it will carry you through. Now, outside of those things, as you know, I have added in doTERRA to wrap around the nutritional, fitness, life coaching, because it helps with the mindset, all of that, to help my clients get to their goals. So my team and I were so excited to offer you the opportunity to be a part of Flush 2020. What? You may say, Coach Lynn, what is Flush 2020? Well, we know that 2020 has been quite a challenge. And so what we're endeavoring to do is to help you to flush out all of the stress, to flush out those toxins out of your system, to really clear your brain, clear the emotions, fortify your GI tract, to get everything going. And we're going to do that with you. Isn't this exciting? Yay! So to be a part of the challenge will actually start on January the 4th. And we're just not going to drop you after 30 days. No, my friend. We are going to stay together all the way until February the 12th. And that's going to give us a lot of time to go through how to create a lifestyle of your new way of really adding in the positivity, continuing with the supplements, how to even add in fitness. I am going to throw in additional information on life coaching as well. I am putting all of my certifications in place so that you can get the results that you need. My team and I are so excited to wrap around and support you. So, how do you get started? Oh, so glad you asked. You need to check out the graphic that's along with this video, first of all, so that you can see the different supplements that you need. And then after you make your purchase, you're going to request to join the Flush 2020 Facebook group, okay? Now, here's something so cool. There is no additional cost to be a part of this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. All you're going to do is just take in your supplements through doTERRA, and we'll give you those links so that you can get started. And once you take those supplements, you get them all ordered. You need to be ordering now to make sure that they're not caught up in holiday shipping and different things like that, so that we can start to school you and really educate you on the protocol for the day, how you're going to implement those supplements throughout the day. We're also going to give you suggested diet theories where you can choose what will work best for your bio-individuality, right? All of our bodies are different. Your body responds this way. My body responds that way. And so there will be suggested ways that you can actually eat while you're also walking through this. So isn't this exciting? It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be phenomenal. You know, I love that word. So I'm going to let you go. I'm going to put some information below this video, and I am excited to have you a part of our challenge. And I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.